hit crowd in Munich, many injured. A car hit a group of people in Munich, Germany. At least 28 people were hurt. The driver is a 24-year-old man from Afghanistan. The police arrested him and are trying to understand why he did it. Some people, including children, are very badly hurt. The crash happened near a train station. Many important leaders will visit Munich soon for a big meeting. Because of this, there are now more police in the city. The people hit by the car were protesting for better pay. Some witnesses said the car was driving fast before it hit the crowd. There are also reports that the police shot at the car to stop it. After the crash, people nearby tried to help the injured. Germany has had similar attacks before. Some politicians now want to make immigration laws stricter. The police are still investigating to find out why the driver did this. Question 1. Choose the correct option to complete the sentence. The police are still investigating to find out why the driver. This. A. Does. B. Did. C. Doing. D. Done. Question 2. Which verb is closest in meaning to investigating in the sentence? The police are still investigating to find out why the driver did this. A. Ignoring. B. Studying. C. Forgetting. D. Punishing.